Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to break down the instant funding program and explain exactly how it works, including the account rules, drawdown rules, leverage, profit split, and so you can make an informed decision if this option is good for you. If you are looking for a funded trading account without going through a traditional evaluation challenge, this video is for you. Right now we are at the instant funding page where we can see that drawdown type is trailing. This will be very short. After this one we will go to the FAQ section so we can explain all the rules in details. Accounts that you can choose, you have 5, 10, 25, 50 and 100,000. There is no profit target on this plan. Max daily loss is 3%, max loss is 6%, which is trailing. Again, this we will explain in details in a bit. Leverage is up to 1:30. Payouts are weekly. If you buy add-on, then you can change it to be on demand, and reward split starts at 80%, and again if you choose add-on you can increase it up to 90%. If we go here into more details, we will see basically everything what we spoke so far, except that news trading is completely allowed and weekend holding is also completely allowed. So let's go now to FAQ section so we can go over those questions very quickly. It is very important for you not to read those questions. It is important to understand them. So question number 1 is, what are minimum trading days? There are no minimum trading days, so basically it is 0, and this allows you to trade according to your schedule and focus on executing your strategy effectively. Next one, are EAs and copy trading services allowed? You are allowed to copy trades between your own Eleonex accounts, so you're only allowed to use Eleonex account as a master account. That means that you can copy trades from your Eleonex account to external slave account. Opposite direction when copying trading is not allowed. Expert advisors are permitted, but they must receive prior approval from the company. And again, as it is stated here, you can check CTrader store if you want to use any of the C bots that are offered over there. What is the maximum capital that I'm allowed? On this plan you can trade up to $100,000. Next question that we have is max drawdown trailing or static? So max drawdown is trailing and it is 6% of your initial account balance, meaning the maximum allowable loss is based on your highest recorded equity. So if your equity comes to $106,000, your max drawdown will be always 6%, meaning that it will be $100,000. So doesn't matter how much profit you make or lose, your max drawdown will be always 6% of your initial account balance. What is Eleonex Edge? Eleonex Edge is our risk management system where all open positions will be automatically closed if they reach a floating loss of 1%. Please keep in mind that during a volatile periods the system will not close positions immediately, so that is why we advise to use stop loss every time so you can avoid slippage and bigger losses that you wanted. If you violate this rule for the first time, it will be a soft breach and it will lead to reduction of your leverage, which will be Forex 1 to 15, indices, commodities and metals will be 1 to 5, and crypto will be 1 to 2. Second violation of this rule will be hard breach and account termination. Next question is, what is the maximum daily loss? Your maximum daily loss is 3% of your initial balance based on higher either of your balance or equity at the start of the trading day. What are the forbidden practices? You can feel free to read this on your own. Just keep in mind that these are just few common violations that we have encountered. Any strategy that seeks to manipulate demo environment or simulate unrealistic trading behavior is strictly forbidden, and it will lead to account termination. Next question, what is the leverage offered? For this plan, Forex is 1 to 30, indices, commodities and metals are 1 to 10, while crypto is 1 to 2. What is the consistency rule? This is very important for you to understand because 20% consistency rule applies to this plan. This means that no single day's profit can exceed 20% of your total gains. So, for example, if you earn $100 in a single day, your total profits for the payout must reach at least $500 before you are eligible to withdraw. For example, another example, if you earn $100 in a single day, then next day you earn $200, then your goal will be to make $1,000 because your best day will be $200 and consistency is 20%. So in that case, you need to make $1,000 so you can be eligible to withdraw. Is drawdown affected by payouts? Yes. If you reach your 6% profit and wish to withdraw 4% of that, your maximum drawdown will be 2%. For example, if you start with 50,000 and make 6% profit, your balance will be 53,000. Then if you decide to withdraw 2,000, which is 4% of your profits, your new balance will be 51,000 and remaining maximum drawdown will be 1,000, which is 2% of your starting balance. Is news trading allowed? Yes, news trading is fully permitted without any restrictions. You can open, close or manage positions freely during news events. The same applies for holding trades over the weekend. It is fully allowed. How does max drawdown work? Maximum drawdown is always 6% and trails your highest equity, not balance, it trails your equity. So if you withdraw the full 6%, it will exceed the limit and result is the loss of your account. So let's go into one example. Again, if you start with 50,000 and you grow your account by 2,000, which is 4%, you then want to make a withdrawal, and once you have secured that 4% profit, you withdraw it, and after that your max loss will be 2% since you already took out 4%. Can I merge accounts? Yes, we allow merging Ignite accounts, but only for the 5, 10, 25 and 50K tiers. 100 tiers is excluded from this option. Also, it's important to mention that you can merge a maximum of 2 unique accounts. And merging accounts is allowed only within the same program. And also, very important question, what is the minimum holding period? Basically, to qualify for a payout, at least 50% of your total trades must remain open for at least 2 minutes to be valid. So if you placed 100 trades, at least 50 of them must exceed the 2-minute duration to be eligible for a payout. Now we have covered all questions from FAQ regarding our Ignite program. I hope this was helpful. So stay tuned for next video. Have a nice day.